Good morning, kindergarten and pre-K. Today we are going to be creating a Pointillism Rainbow using Q-tips. If you don't know where your mom and dad keep the Q-tips, please make sure you go ask them. You're going to need about 6 or 7 for this project. What is Pointillism? So Pointillism is a painting technique using dots instead of brush strokes. So that's what the Q-tips come in handy for. You are going to need, for your project, a light colored piece of paper. Today I chose yellow. You're also going to need a paint palette with all of your rainbow colors in it. You're going to need red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and white as well. So make sure you have all of those colors available to you. If not, it's going to be really hard to do a correct rainbow. You can use whatever colors you would like, but for this project, I would really appreciate if you could try to use your rainbow colors. And we're going to do this step by step. As you see, I have a blank piece of paper. The first color we're going to start with is red. First color of the rainbow. This is going to be your biggest color. Now when you're doing your Pointillism Rainbow, you need just the teeny top. I don't know if you can see it. Just the top of your Q-tip. And you don't need to do the entire paper. Try to keep it more in the middle. We are going to do little dots. Tap, 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 tap. As you can see, I did little dots on my paper. And you're going to do that in your full rainbow pattern. We're not going to brush them all together. We are simply making little polka dot shapes using your paint. Lightly tap. If you need more paint, go ahead and stick your Q-tip back in the paint and get more. And again, you want to do the full arch shape in these polka dots. It is completely up to you if you plan on doing a full arch shape or if you plan on just doing a half of an arch shape coming off from the side of your paper. That is up to you, your choice, personal creativity. Either is just fine. Okay, so as you can see, I have now created my red arch shape. Underneath that, I am going to go in with a brand new Q-tip with my orange. And you want to keep your polka dots close together when you are tapping. It is okay to overlap the red a little bit. You want to have plenty of room for the rest of your rainbow colors. So you don't want to make your arches too big, but you also don't want to make them so small that they aren't blending together. Okay, I'm going to tap, tap, tap. Again, you want to make sure you're overlapping and connecting that red and orange together. Okay, now I have finished my orange layer. Next, I'm going to do the same exact thing. Again, make sure you get a new Q-tip with your yellow color. And you're going to repeat this with every single color of the rainbow that you have. Again, practicing your arch shapes and practicing pointillism, which is light tapping. Tap very lightly. Again, make sure you're blending that orange and yellow together. And I don't want you guys to try and go and cheat and brush it on. Tap, 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 using your colors. Tap, tap, tap. That is the whole point in this project, to work on pointillism, which is a new word for you today, pointillism. I have now finished my yellow. Very hard to see because it's very light. There, now you can see it a little better. My light yellow. Next, I'm going to get a clean Q-tip, and I'm going to continue with some green, and then we're going to continue with some blue, and we're going to finish our rainbow with the last color, which is purple or violet. And since we're working on rainbows and we're waiting for Miss Johnson to finish tapping, let's go over what is a primary color and what is a secondary color. Some of you remember primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Your secondary colors are the colors that you get when you mix those three together: orange, green, and purple. So those 6 colors is what makes up the rainbow. And I know it's hard to remember sometimes, which is okay. Just work on remembering our primary and secondary colors. Okay, I'm on my last layer here, which is my purple. Okay, so as you can see, this is my rainbow. I know the lighting is not the best in this room, but there you go. My nice, beautiful Pointillism Rainbow. So now at the ends of my rainbows, I am going to use my white, and I am going to create Pointillism Clouds. Empty, brand new Q-tip, since we're using white. This one I'm kind of going to put a lot more on the end. It's hard to see. But I did almost half of the top of the Q-tip in paint, because I have a large area that I want to cover this time instead of just a small area. But again, you're still going to tap lightly using the same pointillism technique that we were just doing with the rainbow. Tap, tap, tap all the way around. I'm also going to do the other side. So that it looks like my rainbow is sitting on a nice, pretty cloud. Just about there. A couple more polka dots. Tapping lightly, nice and covered. Okay, and there you have it. A beautiful rainbow sitting on the clouds. Get a nice look. See if yours looks almost the same as mine. Very good. I hope you guys had fun creating your rainbows today. I can't wait to see what you came up with, and I look forward to doing another video for you tomorrow. Bye guys!